Hi, I'm Paige, and today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Excel.
For these tutorials, we'll be using the free version of Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, which can be found inside your application. Is your data all over the place? Don't worry, Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat can help. Go into Excel and select your Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat icon in the sidebar. Next, highlight your messy data, copy it, and paste it into the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. Next, we're going to give it our instruction. And we are going to say, suggest ways to organize and clean this data, and hit send. Copilot might recommend sorting your rows, removing duplicates, or formatting your columns for consistency. These tips help make your sheet easier to read and to analyze. Once you get the suggestions, apply them manually to your spreadsheet to keep it neat and professional. A clean sheet saves time and reduces errors, so take a moment to organize before moving on. Easy as pie. Good luck!
I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Excel.